Obviously, it's fantastic this morning that we have one of the great Welsh actors, well, more than Welsh, British, international actors, performers in our midst. In terms of football connection, I'm sure many of you will see his fantastic portrayal of Brian Clough in Damned United. And it's fair to say that the Homeless World Cup here in 2018 would not have happened without the emotional and financial support of Michael. A fantastic effort to bring everything together which made that tournament a success. And of course, if you look over his past history, you'll see some fantastic inspirational speeches about Wales and our identity and what we are about. And of course, in the League of Their Own the other week, absolutely sensational speech off the cuff, which I know inspired all of you and inspired so many people, not just within Wales. It's fantastic that he's come here today to show his support, and I'm going to ask Rob Page, the manager, to present him with a token of our appreciation with a Welsh shirt with his name on the back. Michael Sheen.
Oh, wow. Brilliant. Oh, look at that. Fantastic.
Legend.
Oh, thank you, Rob. Thank you so much. Oh, look at that. Brilliant. Brilliant.
The glass is tapping.
Yeah, all right. I was told that when the glass is tapping, you have to sing. Is that right, Gareth? All right. Well, listen. When I did the speech on League of Their Own, it was, specifically for the England game, wasn't it? So, but I couldn't come and see you and not give you something to go with, So my song is the words I speak. So I'll try and customize what I did before and try and give you something to take with you. All right? Okay. Oh. All right. Amarohid. I hear the voices singing. Speed your journey, boys back. A nation singing with one voice. A song of hope. A song of defiance. A victory song. It floats through the valleys like a red mist. It rolls over the mountaintops like crimson thunder. A storm, a red storm is coming to the gates of Qatar. It sparkles and crackles with the spirit of 58 and Jimmy Murphy's boys. It turns the pages of the history books and finds Rob's page there, waiting to be written. Still, waiting to be written. What will you write there, boys? Dare you write your names on that page? 64 years and far from home. Far from the old land of our fathers. Hen Wlad van Hadau. When you were standing there, listening to that song of songs start up, shoulder to shoulder with the lads in this room, teammates, friends, brothers, princes all, selected by the divine. When you're standing there, side by side, and that holy song begins, close your eyes and feel the breath on the back of your necks, because that's every man, woman, and child in this old land standing there with you, at your back. That's the people of Wales, your people. Feel their breath quickening with yours. Hear their blood drumming in your ears, pounding through your heart bursting in your chest. That's the blood of Wales. That's your blood. Red as the ancient book of dreams. Red as the rising flag of Merthyr. Red as the great wall of Gwalior, because that's what you carry with you, boys. Across 64 years. Across half the span of the world. It's there on your chest. It's there at your back. It's there at your side. Because they'll always say, we're too small, too slow, too weak, too full of fear. But Amar O'Hyd, you sons of speed, with that red wall around us, we're still here! Come on, man! Come on!
Legend.
All of that. And I can still join you. I'm still available. Brilliant. All the best, lads. All the best. You think you're not all right? Thank you. Oh. I'm knackered now.
Just down there.
Oh, look at that.
I'm a
Fantastic. Oh, that's brilliant. Yeah, I'll have this in the car.
Just recover.
I know. Oh, that'd be brilliant. I'd love that. I'd love that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Back to the front.
Back. There we are. Brilliant.
We'll get everyone to slide in.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you.
Yes, you should.
I am. I get so worked up.